Hi, baby. You eat your egg? No? Okay, get down. Oh, you are so cute. Ah. Ah. Oh, you are so cute. Ah. Oh, good job, Carson. You're so smart. Chew it up. Chew it up. Bite. Makenna. Bite. Look at that brother. Good brother crawling out of his spot. Didn't eat his eggs. Hey brother, come here. Carson, say hi to Mimi.
Hi, Mimi.
Say hi, hi, Grandpa Trippy.
Hi, Grandma Trippy.
Oh yes. Hi everybody. There's our Christmas tree. Hey, here's Makenna girl. Hi, baby. Hey, Irma. How you doing? I hope you're feeling better. I know you just got surgery. I'm sorry that I haven't found a way to get videos faster, but I'm doing it YouTube now. So, hopefully more to come. Love ya. Feel better, okay? Give Mimi a kiss. Go.